Good morning. Today we are going on a hike this morning. Okay, so we are going on a hike, me and Mum, the Runyon Canyon. So I'll talk to you at the top. We're like just at the start of the hike because we went the wrong way. So we've actually been walking for ages. And this is really hard.
It's really hard.
I would say like we're slowly getting there. Or we're like nearly there. The view's just getting better though. So we're gonna go up here. This does not look steep on camera. Then up that mountain right to the top.
I'm dying.
Let's go top. Someone's literally like climbing it. I don't really want to climb it. The top and yeah, now we don't know where we're going. We don't really want. We had to fall like the last part of that hike. You literally were climbing a mountain. Like I was on 4 hands, 4 legs, whatever it's called, arms and legs, 2 arms, 2 legs. Yeah. So now we're just walking this way and hoping it's the way down. I feel like it's not. Finished the walk and now we're waiting for our Uber. And as we're coming down, we realized that we went the long way. We started at the middle of the mountain river and we went all the way down and then walked right up to the point where the hike was just from the middle up when we went all the way down. So, I obviously just had a shower. We're back from the hike. I'm eating some salad. Today at 12:30 we're going on... Oh, I have fruit in my mouth. Today at 12:30 we're going to Brothers studio tour and then we're going out for dinner tonight. So that's today's plan. Okay, so we are on our way to Warner Brothers Studios. We're about to leave. I'm not wearing any makeup today. I'm gonna have a day off makeup and I can't even, we have no full-length mirrors in here so I can't even tell if my outfit looks okay. I think it looks fine. This big ranch restaurant and there's so much on the menu. There's a mechanical bull in the middle and we are so hungry so we are ready to eat. Is it nice? Oh, it's black. Okay, we'll still put it here. Well, that's nice. What has happened today? So I haven't really filmed today, but I'm going to combine today's vlog with tomorrow's vlog because I don't feel like I'm going to be doing a lot either tomorrow because we're leaving this hotel and going to another hotel tomorrow. But basically this morning we went on that massive hike and we ended up we went the wrong way basically. So we went the hard way. And I like want to explain how hard this actual hike was because at the top and going like down like right on the summit peak, is that what you call it?
Yep. Yeah.
It wasn't even hiking, like you were physically climbing the mountain because it was so steep and like all the rocks were like shaking and I'm just the most uncoordinated person ever, so it was really scary. Do you want to add anything?
And it was that hard. There was a defibrillator? I can't say it. Up the top, a real one.
Yeah, well, I don't know what that is.
It starts your heart if you have a heart attack.
Okay, well, there you go.
A defibrillator.
Then we went on the Warner Brothers tour, which was really good. I got to see like the Houses of Pretty Little Liars and the Friends Cafe and all of that stuff. Kind of got sexually assaulted. I'm kidding. This guy that was on the tour, we like bumped into each other and he wasn't looking at me, but he like grabbed me by the waist and like pulled me in, and then he looks at me and he goes, "Oh, you're not my wife." And I was like, "Yeah, I'm not." It was really kind of awkward. Actually, I didn't even say anything. I just walked off because I'm just too much of an awkward person for that. So that was even awkwarder. What did we do after that?
We went for a walk down Hollywood Boulevard.
Oh yeah, can you not, Mum? That's so rude. This is how much attention I get the whole trip, and I need attention. Thank you. Anyway, so then after that we went down for a walk, and then we went for dinner at the Saddle Ranch, which I really wanted to go on the mechanical bull, but you had to be 18, which was really, really, really sad. And I literally ate so much food. I had a starter, a massive dinner, and then we weren't going to get dessert because we literally were going to vomit. And then the restaurant or the ranch thingy literally brought out food for us because they just bought it for us. Brought out this big cookie dish, and I was going to not eat it, but it was amazing. So I like ate all of it, and now I'm going to be sick. And then as we were leaving, they brought out fairy floss for us, which is crazy because the fairy floss is like this big, and I physically was going to be sick, so I was like, I can't eat this, I'm sorry. So yeah, that's all I'm doing now. That was really wrapped up, and you've probably already skipped out of the video by now, which is really awkward, but bye.